there are certain members of the DBM that should have been included, but are not included in these cases filed. Can you enlighten us, Secretary Bida?
Okay. In the case of the Nauhan project, Your Honors, this matter was investigated by the Office of the Ombudsman, and similarly, the preliminary investigation was also conducted. The same is not visible to the Department of Justice, Your Honor.
So it should be the Ombudsman that we should pose this question. Is that what you're saying?
The information may be available to the Office of the Ombudsman, Your Honor.
All right. Now for the DOJ, I'm not going to take much of the time, Mr. Chairman. What do we do with the with the personalities that are under our custody? When I've heard that you now have under your witness protection program, or accepting pala, Roberto Bernardo, Henry Alcantara, Gerald Opalencia, and Sally Santos. What do we do now, Mr. Secretary?
With your permission, PG Dong Padulyon would.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Insofar as the witnesses admitted already into the program, Mr. Chair, the department will probably be asking for, especially for those who are under the custody of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, that we take custody of them so that they can be placed under the protective custody of the Witness Protection Program.
You are contemplating on sending a request to the Senate, is that it?
Yes, we are contemplating on doing that, Mr. Senate President, sir.
But not at the very moment, no?
You may only be referring to Henry Alcantara, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
He's the only one under the custody of the Senate that was admitted.
Yeah. So,
Yes, sir. Only Engineer Henry Alcantara, sir.
Bernardo, Valencia, and Santos are not, no?
Opalencia, Engineer Opalencia, and Sally Santos are not under the custody of the Senate, Your Honor.
All right.
Sama nyo na pag alis nyo, kung gusto nyo.
If we will be granted
the chairman is already agreeing, you know. I don't think anyone else would
if
would
the chair of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee so desires, sir, then we will take the necessary or appropriate action to take him into our custody.
Sige, baka mabawasan na namin yung laman doon sa baba dahil baka may mga ipapasok kami bago eh.
Meron nga, Mr. President.
Especially those who do not respond to the subpoena that the Senate has brought out. So, all right.
Your Honor, if we just thresh out the operational matters with the office of the committee of the Senate, Your Honors. Yes,
All right.
we will gladly take the protective custody of the
I know
state
for a fact that
witnesses.
the Committee on Agriculture under Senator Pangilinan wants to confine some people.
A few more after, currently, Mr. President, and I
Sige.
think in the next hearing, meron pa ho. Kaya mas
So,
maganda talagang mailipat na yung iba.
So, Mr. Chairman, are we agreeing to the request?
Admit nyo na rin sa program yung iba kung magko-cooperate para mabuwasan pa rin kami rito. Assuming that they fully cooperate, kasi I've been telling them, informing them na hindi pa naman huli yung lahat, and the committee may even recommend through the Senate President, once they fully cooperate and help in the investigation and eventual conviction of those being implicated, then, and I hope you will agree if the committee will recommend to the WPP, to the DOJ actually.
Mr. Chair, we will seriously consider the recommendation coming from the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee and the Senate President. As we have made official in the statements of the department, we are not totally disclosing the possibility of these witnesses who applied that they will no longer be considered in future cases. Pwede pa naman po. Ang sinasabi lang po ng departamento, base doon sa kanilang application sa ngayon at base doon sa mga kasong gusto nilang makover, hindi po papasok. Pero we're not saying that in the future, if there are cases or there are other statements that may come out where it will turn out that they will be or they can be utilized in the prosecution of these cases, the department will certainly consider it, sir.
So, loud and clear, Bryce, JP, Curly, You heard it from the horse's mouth. May pag-asa pa kayo. So, pagtulog nyo mamaya, isipin nyo mabuti yung gusto nyo i-testify. Hindi po pwedeng half-hearted and half-truth. Kailangan talaga, when you decide to fully cooperate, fully cooperate.
All right. So thank you, Mr. Chairman. I will not use the rest of my time. I will just use it for interjection later on. Sigo. Thank you.
Isa pa, before I recognize Senator Risa Ontiveros, hindi to cast in stone, di ba? Kasi pag nag-violate along the way, pwedeng mawala sila sa program.
Totoo po yun. May mga kondisyon na kailangan nilang Ang pinaka-basic na kondisyon, patuloy na makipagtulungan
Correct.
sa Estado para mapatibay natin ang kaso at successful tayong manalo sa mga kasong atin.
And ang covered lang, yung kasong tinetestify nila. Pag may sumulpot na ibang kaso na hindi nila binanggit, na hindi sila kasama, makakasuhan pa rin sila doon sa ibang kaso.
Opo. Yan po ang ating Witness Protection Program, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Secretary
Mr.
Vida.
Chair, before we move
Yes,
on with your
Senator,
indulgence
JB
of
is recognized.
Senator Ontiveros, tungkol lang dito sa pag-admit sa state witness protection program. No? How do we determine? How do you determine? Do you determine yung gravity ng participation of those who were admitted as state witnesses? Kasi baka mamaya yung mga na-admit dito most guilty. Di ba, I think, not a lawyer, pero sa batas, na yung mga most guilty, hindi ho pwedeng maging state witness.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Tama po kayo doon, sir, na sa pag-i-evaluate po na kung sino yung tatanggapin bilang state witness, hindi naman po kasi question niya na unahan. Ang pinag-uusapan ho dito, meron po mga pamantayan na sinusundan tayo. First, that what they have to say is material, it can be corroborated, and that they're not the most guilty. So, kung meron po tayong makikita, no, hindi naman po rin kasi kailangan sa lahat ng kaso na kumuha ng state witness ang Estado. Only in those cases or instances na sa tingin natin kulang o may kakulangan doon sa ebidensya na kailangan mapunuan, diyan po natin tinitingnan kung sino ang pwede nating ikonsidera bilang state witness.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Also, yung I think you have to be meticulous on who should be admitted as state witness kasi baka mamaya maubos na. Kung matanggap pa as state witness yung talagang main participants, sino pang Sino na lang may iwan dito? You have to be meticulous on who to admit as state witnesses.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, thank
yes,
you.
Mr. Chair. We are very careful and we are conscious of the need to scrutinize and carefully examine who the applicants are. We cannot consider everybody who applies because otherwise wala na po tayong ipoprosecute dyan. Pero ang titiyakin po namin is that bago po kami kumuha ng state witness under the Witness Protection Program, ito po ay makakatulong po doon sa kasong isasampa natin. At bilang parang safety net, dito po sa mga natanggap, binanggit na nga po kanina ni Secretary Vida na hindi naman po sa lahat ng pagkakataon covered nito lahat ng kaso. It only refers to the cases which are covered and mentioned in the Memorandum of Agreement.
Thank you.